Have you ever struggled to respond quickly in your conversations? Do you think why it has happened with you? This has happened because you are translating your answer from your mother tongue into the English before speaking up loudly in front of the people. Do you think it is the problem which you are facing right now? Do you know if you don't think in English, then you can't able to speak fluently. You are the slow speaker in English because you need some time to translate your answer from your mother tongue into the English. Think in English is a vital key which opens the lock of the door of fluent English. If you're willing to know the strategy how to think in English, then stay with me in this video. In this video, I'm going to share some secret strategy that how do you start thinking in English and it help you to be a fluent speaker. Namaskar, I'm Rita. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Without any ado, let's get into the first of all, what are the objects which is surrounded you? You have to name it in English. I know that you know the name of this object in your mother tongue, but you should know that name of this object in the English. Whenever you see that object, the name of the object will be come out from your mouth without translating that object from your mother tongue into the English. This is the super easiest way that you start thinking in English without translating that object from your mother tongue into the English. On your daily routine, you are surrounded by lots of the objects and actions which was happened in front of you. You have to know the name of that actions as well as the object in English. It will help you to be fluent in English because you don't need any time to translate that object or the action in English. Here, actions means the work which is done by you or the other. Suppose what I am doing right now, I am speaking. What you are doing right now, you are watching my video right now, right? So this is the action you have to need to know because this help you to be fluent. You don't need to any time without spending much more time in thinking. You just speak up quickly. Once you used to name this object, then you start conversations with yourself. I mean to say you have to talk with yourself. Sometimes the people around you maybe say you are crazy. But believe me, if you want to think in English, these steps will play a vital role, or we can say that it is a game changer in your learning process because it makes you very fluent. Whenever you are doing something, simultaneously your mind is always thinking something else. So start thinking in English. Don't speak with yourself in your mother tongue. You should talk yourself in English. It will be help you a lot to improve or bring fluency in your English. Switch your daily routine into English. Whatever you are doing in your daily basis, you have to bring English in your daily routine. You have need to mindset to be more productivities. I know that you don't have much time because you have lots of the work, you have the kids, so bring it in your daily routine. Here I will give one example of mine. In early morning when I used to cook food, simultaneously I always used to listen the podcast or English music because I don't have much time to watch the video because I have to do lots of the work. That's why I used to build up my listening habit while doing the cooking food. To build up listening habits in English, I choose that particular time. You don't need to listen too long. You have to only spend 10 to 20 minutes of your daily routine to build up a listening habit because listening is one of the important things which help you to consume that English, which help you to understand the English. Whenever you think in English on your daily basis, our brain always going to focus on it, and it will be help you to memorize that object. You can do one more things that whenever you are making the shopping list, you can make it in English. You can name this object in English. It will be help you to memorize these object. I hope that this video will be help you a lot to fixing up this problem. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Vande Mataram.